Good fish, good fish. Come on. Get inside. Yay. Big fat boy. Oof. Look at this fish. Beautiful. Good size kokanee. There we go. Fish on. Oh, wait. All right, kokanee. First kokanee today. Yay. Smaller, but we're keeping it. Another one. Man, the Twisted Sister is getting all the love today. And always get them on the turn. You throw about 30 feet, 40 feet, do a quick turn. Vice versa. And I think I lost it. No, still here. He's just tired. Alright, another. This one just hitting. So, another hit. Come on. It's on fire today. Yep, it's on. Nice. Well, always on the turn. Come on, still on there. Oh, oh, no. Broke my lure. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. Looks big. Oh yeah, in the net. Whew. Now, fish number 5. Fish number 5. See, I replaced the Moon Jolly Dodger to Moon Jolly Fire. That little color makes a huge difference. It is the tiniest kokanee I've ever seen. And this is going back. That's like first year fish. Alright. Hopefully he will survive. There you go. Go.